Hey guys, Ross with RV Tips and Travels. Today I wanted to share some holiday gift ideas and stocking stuffers for the loved ones in your RV life. I know there are a ton of RV gift idea videos, and I promise you we're not going to talk about X-Shocks or tire pressure monitoring systems or a heated water hose. All great products, but they've been videoed to death. So today I want to share some things that you may have never considered for your RV or never knew even existed to begin with. And the great part is all of these gifts are under 15 bucks. Stay tuned. I'm going to put links to all these products in the video description down below if you want to go ahead and check those out. Let's get right into the list. Many RVs come with sliding interior doors to save space, but they don't always lock. We've had some issues in the past with the dogs nosing the door open while we're in the bathroom. So I found this sliding door lock that we use. There's a couple other styles too, and I'll put links to those down below as well. We have cup holders in our sofa, but with our dogs who are constantly going back and forth, it almost renders them useless. And I wanted to get a wall-mounted cup holder for the RV, and everything I found just looked cheap. And you know, we spend a lot of time in our RV, we take good care of it, we want it to look nice. So what I actually found were hair dryer holders. They're much sleeker, they look nice, they're available in a couple different finishes. And they mount on the wall with a really strong double-sided tape, so you don't have to worry about putting screws in your walls. Now, I wasn't going to put these storage pockets that sit right next to our cup holders on this list, but I know I'll get asked about them. We use these for cell phones and remote controls, but they can really be used for anything. And these also mount with double-sided tape. These Velcro straps are a great stocking stuffer. There's a ton of uses for them. The obvious one is to keep anything with cords organized. It can be used on cabinets that come open while you're driving. And you can mount these on the rafters in your pass-through storage to hang things, which will help you better utilize your storage space. Paper towel holder right here mounts underneath the cabinet, which is good because it saves a lot of counter space in your RV. Plus it's under tension, so it will not unravel while you're driving. Even with ground mats outside, dragging dirt and leaves is an unfortunate part of RV life. I placed this command broom holder right outside the door on our RV to clean off the steps and to keep dirt inside the RV to a minimum. Now, Command also makes these shower caddies. This one's for bottles and this one's for a bar of soap. The reason I like these, they're not cheap looking, they're not made of plastic, they're easy to clean, they're stainless, they pop right off if you want to clean it, and they lock right back in. Now, unfortunately, I bought this, it was under $15. I think they're about $16 now, but we'll let it slide, and this one's about 10 bucks. For those of us with scissor stabilizer jacks, this fitting is a must-have tool and makes a great stocking stuffer. This side is essentially a 3/4 inch hex socket, which is the same size of most stabilizer jacks on the road these days. Pop this on your drill and save yourself time and energy lowering and raising your stabilizer jacks. This hose splitter has been a lifesaver for us. Now, I attached this to my water setup after the filter, but you can put it really anywhere you want on your water hookup. You'll have one side dedicated to your RV water connection. The other side can be used to fill buckets for cleaning, rinsing off shoes, water balloons, or just washing your hands. Each splitter has its own shutoff valve too. I know quite a few campers who turn off the water when leaving the RV for an extended period of time. So this can also be used as a little insurance against the campground shutoff valve too. We always keep a couple flashlights in our trailer, and while a premium super bright flashlight is going to cost more than 15 bucks, I did find 2 of these tactical flashlights online for $14.99. They have 5 modes, light focus capability, and are pretty compact. These can definitely come in handy if you ever need them. So guys, let us know down in the comments section below what you have in your RV that's about $15 or less that makes a great Christmas present or stocking stuffer. Again, all links are going to be down in the video description below if you want to go ahead and check these products out. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great holiday, and until next time, happy camping. So before we get into it, but you can actually use these for, but there's a lot of uses for these. Again, all links. This paper towel holder right here is nice. So guys, let us know what you use as That's all for today.